So you are welcome back to the second segment of this familiarity talk, and I think the last place we stopped is at this transition effect. So now I'm going to move to the next item, which is the title. The title contains the text. Here are the titles that are in it. They all contain preset templates which you can of course either edit or create a new one. I'm going to edit this uh, familiarity. Okay, and as well you can create yours. So of course I'm still going to teach you how to create yours when we are editing our videos. And the next are the overlays. Most of them are PNGs and some of them are animated. You can easily create yours. You will barely need all these templates that are here. This one is animated, I think. Yes, it is animated, and these ones are mere PNGs that you can just drag and drop anywhere here. So the next here is the effects. Okay, I'm going to show you what this stuff does because we may not really need it when we are editing our videos. So I'm going to quickly show you what what they do. So I'm going to find the video, and I'm going to, okay, let's choose this video. I will drag it into the timeline. Please take note, this segment of the program is what they call the timeline. This segment. Okay, so here is it. I've dragged it into the timeline, and I'm going to add that effect. Let's add this effect to see what it looks like. I'll play it. Okay, you can see it doesn't look normal here. Okay, now let's see before the effect. Here is what the video looks like originally. Let's add another effect, FS Sketch. Okay, so this is merely how these effects work. This is what they do. So of course they may look useless, but they are a lot useful in some cases. I use them and I may really talk about it in the later parts of this tutorial. Okay, so now the next thing that I would like to talk about is how you can make adjustments to this area of your program. I mean, you can either make the items here either smaller or bigger. If it is smaller, it will show more effects at one view, but you can as well make it bigger, and just in case if you get lost, there are some other segments of it which you can change here. So you can see. Okay, now let's move to another section of this video. I'm going to talk a little bit about the timeline. Let's delete our video. So here on the timeline we have various tabs where we can drop our items that we want to edit. Here for example, we can drop our main video on it. I'm going to drop a video here again. We can drop our main video on it. So on both the overlay and the video tab of the program, so we can drop either photo or videos on them. Okay, I'm going to drop a photo here too. And then on the title text are mainly for text. You can type something here. Okay, let me type Thor. Okay, So here is it. It has appeared on it. And they can as well stay on the overlay segment of the video, and they can also stay on the main tab here. Okay, so on the voice and music tab, it is only voice and music that you can put on them. Only voice and music. So maybe while you are making your videos, while you are making some editings, maybe you probably need some more overlays, more title, more voice, or more music. Of course, you can edit the numbers of overlays, title, voice, and music that you can put in your video. To do that, you are going to have to right click on any of this and go to track manager. Okay, overlays. I'm going to add some 2 more overlays to make it 3. One more music track, and I'll press OK. So now, as you can see, you have add 2 music tab, 2 more overlay, making 3, and you can easily drop any of our items, I mean more items, on our overlay tabs. Here is it. I'm going to copy this and put this, and we can add more music. Okay, so I'm going to clear all this. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to talk about is how you can change your project resolution. You have to come to settings, project properties, then okay, so let's say I want to make my project resolution to be that of a mobile phone resolution. Just going to come here and choose some resolutions that are here, and of course you can edit your own resolution. You can create your own new resolution, but I'm going to use this existing resolution here. Select this and I'll press OK. Let's see the changes. And so now, as you can see, we are having a mobile phone resolution on my screen. So I'm going to return it. Security Blu-ray. Okay, and okay. Okay, so that is that. You can also return this. I'm going to get this back to its normal default tracks. 1 1 1. I think everything was 1. Now we are back.